Hello, I got this from my grandmother, and today I'm doing a quick test of this Parkside Pressure Sprayer with a 2-liter capacity, spraying liquid on my wooden decking. Always check the manual before use. You can find very important information there to get the best results and make sure the sprayer lasts a long time. On the bottle, there are capacity marks if you need to mix your spraying liquid. For just a few bucks, you get a weather-resistant, UV-stabilized 2-liter bottle. It features an adjustable brass nozzle at the top and an integrated safety pressure valve on the side. Pumping it up feels solid, and it builds pressure quickly. Testing the spray out here on the deck, the mist is incredibly fine and even, but with a quick twist of the nozzle, you can get a direct, powerful stream. It handles the job perfectly. For a Lidl find, the quality is tough to beat. Definitely a thumbs up from me, and it is actually worth your money.